Hello everyone. In this 2-minute revision lesson, we shall revise the topic, gender as an element in the construction of social identity. Gender identity refers to how individuals understand and express their masculinity or femininity. Unlike biological sex, gender is socially constructed, shaped by the culture we live in. From birth, boys and girls are often treated differently, and Oakley identified processes such as manipulation, canalization, verbal appellations, and different activities, ways in which parents reinforce gender roles from an early age. For example, boys may be encouraged to play with cars, while girls are guided towards dolls. These early lessons are reinforced by other agencies of socialization, especially the media. Magazines, films, and advertising all communicate stereotypical images, like men being strong and dominant, and women being emotional and nurturing. Connell refers to this as hegemonic masculinity, the idea that there is a dominant form of masculinity that others are measured against. At the same time, gender identity is changing. Mack and Gale explored how traditional male roles have been challenged by economic changes, leading to what he called a crisis of masculinity, where working-class men no longer feel able to perform the provider role. On the other hand, feminists like Diane Ray have studied how working-class girls construct femininity based on their future roles as mothers or partners, while postmodernists argue that gender is now more fluid, with young people experimenting beyond traditional categories, especially through online spaces and fashion. Judith Butler, for example, argues that gender is something we perform rather than something we are. It's not fixed, but shaped by how we choose to behave and how others respond. So, to summarize, gender identity is deeply shaped by socialization, but it's also flexible. Traditional expectations still exist, but individuals increasingly express their gender in diverse and personal ways. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.